Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So we today make the just brief update because not much to talk about. Finally, the historical decision is made by European Union leaders. We knew it, so it should have happened. And well, as we suggested, that should push the gold finally to the higher, to the target. Now, as you can see, our major destination point finally is completed. So it was a long run to this target, as we talked about, 1825. And at the first glance, it seems that's not really very significant target. So what really big deal? It's a butterfly, some extensions stands inside of the intraday charts. But guys, this is specific and very special moment currently for the gold, because we know that the net long position on the gold stands at high levels of saturation. So we have some really concern about, well, whether we should treat as the ultimate level 206 yes, thousands contracts, or we should use as a new ultimate level 350,000. This was some outlier amount of the gold that has been purchased and taking the long position during the major collapse on the pandemic. But gold already stands at the first, or better to say, previous historical level. And market stands is a bit overextended. It means that at comfortable and suitable resistance level, gold could show some pullback. It could show some relief on the market before continuation with the long-term standing upward trend. We expect that gold will continue upward action with the long-term period, maybe within a few years, 1-2 years, definitely should happen. Many analysts, including the Goldman Sachs, tells about 2000 level, so we agree mostly. All the stuff we discussed in our weekly reports. But today we stand at really important moment. So first of all, if you have long position, think about closing the position mostly. You could try to keep some part, but we're at the target where theoretically market could start the major retracement. And that's why I think twice about what to do in this current circumstances. If you would like to take the short-term bearish position, that's also the point to keep an eye on. So whether you will put your position based on the butterfly itself, or better, maybe you will watch for some bearish reversal pattern on the intraday charts before taking the short position. But anyway, that's also is an area where the pullback could be significant, at least in terms of the intraday charts. And that's the point where scalp bearish traders could consider taking the short position. Maybe not immediately, maybe not right now, but within the few sessions till the end of the week, some clarity should come. Here's butterfly is completed. For us, is a major interest right now with this pattern, guys. So if you are right about the retracement, and indeed market will take some brief on the upward action, this could be hand and shoulders with potential target somewhere in 1550. It's really possible if major retracement will start. On the 4-hour time frame chart, it's mostly still the same story. Upward action is continuing. Divergence has worked, so we're happy with the results. Everything that we have planned has been completed. So target is completed. I mean, the hand shoulders final ultimate target is hit, and market mostly also has reached target of this butterfly pattern. So for scalp traders, again, as I said, butterflies very often becomes the part of the hand and shoulders. It means that the downward action could start with the minor pattern first. So market, for example, could form here minor hand and shoulders first pattern, and then turn to the larger pattern. So, but the downward action could start from the minor pattern. So that's things to keep an eye on. Also take a look at on the MACD, if retracement will start, very probable that we will get the bearish divergence. Yes, we do not have yet the crossing of the lines, but potentially it's the thing that you could keep an eye on as well. So that's what we have on the gold market. On the hourly chart, nothing really interesting stands. You could see just how our setup on the weekend that we have prepared on the weekend completed very accurately. So indeed, just minor retracement has happened. Recall what we said on the weekend. We said keep an eye on these two levels. Market should not show any deep retracement and should not erase this recent rally. If it indeed stands bullish and is intending to the higher time frame or high target. And indeed, just the 30% retracement has been completed and market continues upward action. So that's actually what we have on the gold. Major journey. Our major journey is done. Now let's see the reaction on the market on this resistance from the target and see what other trading setups we will get within the few sessions.